Have you ever wondered what makes Bitcoin so unique in the world of cryptocurrencies? Let's take a trip down memory lane. In the year 2009, an entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin to the world. This wasn't just another currency, it was a decentralized digital currency. You might ask, what does decentralization mean? Well, unlike traditional currencies controlled by central banks or governments, Bitcoin operates on a network of computers spread across the globe. There's no central authority, each transaction is verified by this network. Ensuring transparency and security, Bitcoin's decentralization is its defining feature, setting it apart from conventional financial systems. It's like a financial revolution, challenging the status quo and offering a new way of exchanging value. That's a glimpse into the revolutionary world of Bitcoin. But how does it all work? The backbone of Bitcoin lies in a technology known as blockchain. But what is it exactly? Picture a chain, each link securely attached to the next. And in the world of Bitcoin, these links are blocks. Each block contains a list of transactions, and once added to the chain, it's practically impossible to alter it. This is the essence of blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records and verifies transactions across many computers so that the record cannot be altered retroactively. Let's break it down further. When you make a Bitcoin transaction, it gets bundled with others into a block. Miners, a network of powerful computers, then solve complex mathematical problems to validate these transactions. This process is called mining, and it's pivotal to the functioning of the Bitcoin network. You see, the first miner to solve the problem gets to add the block of transactions to the blockchain. As a reward, they receive new Bitcoins, a process known as block reward. Now, you might be wondering, what stops someone from tampering with the blockchain and, say, spending the same Bitcoin twice? Well, that's where the genius of blockchain comes in. Each block in the chain contains a unique code called a hash, as well as the hash of the block before it. If someone tries to tamper with a block, the hash changes, making the entire blockchain invalid. This is what makes blockchain technology so secure. Furthermore, the decentralized nature of the Bitcoin network means that no single entity has control over the blockchain. Each miner has a copy of the blockchain, and a majority of them must agree on a common version for it to be updated. This consensus mechanism ensures the integrity of the blockchain and makes it resistant to fraud and manipulation. So, with such a robust system, one might wonder about the security and privacy aspects of Bitcoin. Let's delve into that. How secure is your Bitcoin? And what about privacy? These are crucial questions for anyone dabbling in the digital currency space. Bitcoin employs complex cryptographic techniques to ensure the security of transactions. At its core, Bitcoin uses a system of private and public keys. Your private key is like your secret PIN, while the public key is akin to your bank account number. This key pair creates a secure digital identity reference, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the transactions. Moreover, Bitcoin transactions are encrypted. They're bundled into blocks and added to a chain in a linear, chronological order. This blockchain technology is a robust security measure against fraud and cyber attacks. However, security and privacy aren't without challenges. Bitcoin's public ledger means transaction details are visible, which can raise privacy concerns. Also, if your private key is lost or stolen, your Bitcoins are gone forever. While Bitcoin offers robust security, its value can be quite a rollercoaster ride. Why is that? Bitcoin's value can soar to the skies or plummet to the ground, all in a day's work. But why? Let's delve into the factors that cause such dramatic swings in Bitcoin's value. At the heart of Bitcoin's volatility lies the principle of supply and demand. The finite number of Bitcoins, capped at 21 million, creates a scarcity that can drive prices up. However, if demand drops, so does the price. Market sentiment plays a significant role too. News about Bitcoin, whether positive or negative, can trigger a wave of buying or selling. This emotional trading can lead to price spikes or crashes. Lastly, regulatory news impacts Bitcoin's value. Announcements of government regulations or bans can send shockwaves through the market, causing prices to fluctuate wildly. These fluctuations can create opportunities for traders, but also pose significant risks. Investments can multiply in value or disappear overnight. Despite its volatility, Bitcoin adoption is on the rise, but how and where is it being used? From buying coffee to booking flights, Bitcoin is finding its place in the economy. But how practical is it really? Let's take a look. Bitcoin's decentralized nature and global accessibility make it a compelling choice for many individuals and businesses. These factors, coupled with its potential for anonymity and its lower transaction fees compared to traditional banking systems, have led to increased adoption of the cryptocurrency. For individuals, Bitcoin can serve as an alternative form of savings. Its digital nature makes it easy to store and manage, and its global accessibility means it can be used to make transactions anywhere in the world. There's also the potential of Bitcoin as an investment, with many individuals buying and holding the currency in the hope of future price increases. In terms of practical applications, many businesses, both large and small, are beginning to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. This includes everything from coffee shops to online retailers and even some airlines. Bitcoin's lower transaction fees can make it a more cost-effective payment method, especially for businesses with international clientele. Additionally, Bitcoin is being used in more innovative ways. For instance, it's being utilized in the remittance market, helping individuals send money across borders with fewer fees and quicker transaction times than traditional banking systems. Bitcoin is also being used in countries with unstable economies as a more stable store of value. However, adoption is not without its challenges. The volatility of Bitcoin's value can make it a risky investment, and its anonymous nature can make it a target for illicit activities. Furthermore, regulatory uncertainty and a lack of understanding about how Bitcoin works can also hinder its widespread adoption. Despite these challenges, the adoption of Bitcoin continues to grow. More and more people and businesses are beginning to recognize the potential benefits of this digital currency, and as technology and regulations continue to evolve, so too will Bitcoin's place in the economy. Bitcoin's journey is not without challenges and opportunities. Let's explore them. As Bitcoin paves the way for a potential financial revolution, what hurdles and prospects lie ahead? The journey has not been without challenges. Regulatory uncertainties, technological complexities, and adoption-related issues persist. Governments are grappling with the need to balance innovation with the potential risks associated with digital currencies. Technological hurdles, including scalability and energy consumption, are considerable. Moreover, widespread adoption is hampered by a lack of understanding and trust in this novel technology. Yet the opportunities are immense. Bitcoin holds the promise of financial inclusivity, offering banking services to the unbanked. It can enable faster and cheaper cross-border transactions, transforming the remittance industry. Furthermore, it provides a hedge against inflation, especially in economies experiencing currency devaluation. With continuous technological advancements and increasing acceptance, Bitcoin's future looks bright. Governments across the world are grappling with Bitcoin's rise. How are they reacting? As Bitcoin gains prominence, how are governments worldwide responding? It's a mixed bag. Some nations, like Japan, have embraced Bitcoin, recognizing it as a legal payment method. Others, like China, have cracked down on cryptocurrencies due to concerns about financial stability. Meanwhile, regulatory bodies in countries such as the United States are in a constant state of adaptation, trying to balance innovation with consumer protection. With all its complexities and prospects, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? As we look to the horizon, what can we expect from Bitcoin? Forecasts suggest a growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a mainstream financial asset, with potential for widespread adoption in various sectors. There's also talk of advancements in blockchain technology that could further enhance Bitcoin's efficiency and security. However, as with any evolving technology, challenges are part and parcel of the journey. Understanding Bitcoin and its potential future can help individuals and businesses explore opportunities with this innovative digital currency.